Hello, everybody. What's up, Dennis Allen here. Can you see me? Yep. Look what I got. I was driving down the road and I got a hand. It's alive still. Blah! Little birdie. This little birdie was on the side of the road. Whoop. Maybe she can fly. It's got a beard hair in it. That's the little birdie. Definitely was overheating in the middle of the blacktop. So I'm not sure. I wasn't even sure if she was alive, but how do I open the door now? Yeah. So let's see if, oh, there goes my door. Let's see if little birdie can fly or what the deal is, but are your wings okay? What do you think? Are you going to live with us for a while? Oh, is your foot messed up? Whee! Oh, he can fly. Where are you going, little buddy? Are you better now? I don't know. Are you going to be okay? I think you'll be okay. Is your one foot? Yeah, you're using your other foot. That's good, right? What is your name? I'm going to make sure Johnny Cat or Monkey don't find you, because then they'll eat you. That's right. Eddie Murphy will eat you too. See ya. All right. I guess I saved them from getting run over, that's for sure. There he is. Can you see him? Bye-bye, birdie. He's so cute.